are at the official premises of the South Asian Conference on Higher Legal Education and Sustainable Development 2023. Today we are here to hang out with the student organizing committee and seek answers for one of the most frequently asked questions that you all have regarding SACLEX. So without further ado, let's get into it. How things are going now?
Things are going great actually. Now we have finished sending out our invitations and now we are working on our registrations and finals.
Oh, that's amazing. So, Venuki, will you be able to share some answers with our audience?
Yeah, sure.
So, Venuki, since you are in the student organizing committee, can you explain the audience what is this conference?
So this conference is a South Asian Conference on Higher Legal Education and Sustainable Development, which is a 3-day conference which will be commencing on the 20th and going till the 22nd of October at the Knowledge City campus premises.
So, Venuki, what is the hype of this conference actually?
Basically, the hype about this conference is that we gather academics, students and researchers from leading law universities in South Asia to engage with the expertise to deal with all these areas like legal policy, legal education and sustainable development.
So, Venuki, can you explain me how's the Association of Commonwealth Universities connected to this?
Yeah, so basically the SDG Challenge grant is offered by the Association of Commonwealth Universities for the professionals and academic staff at ACU member universities. So apparently Ms. Shiranta Senanayaka, who is a lecturer in the Faculty of Law at Horizon campus, became the first Sri Lanka to receive the ACU grant.
That sounds really amazing. So thank you so much, Venuki, for your time. We'll see you up there, okay?
Sure, thank you.
Hi guys, what's up? How things are going on?
Hi, doing good from our Department of Logistics and Operations. Currently under the process of booking accommodations for our foreign delegates and preparing for the cocktail event that we are planning to host on the final day of the conference.
Sounds great. So guys, can you explain how a research publication can be advantage in the future when you are an academic or an undergraduate?
Having a research publication is highly valuable for both undergraduates and academics. It demonstrates commitment and scholarly inquiry, enhances academic credibility, opens doors for advanced opportunities, and contributes to the broader knowledge base. And also, publications showcase expertise and plays a significant role in career advancement and recognition. After the conference, we are going to choose the best researchers that we are received, and by the next year, March, we are going to release a journal which has an ISBN number that includes them.
So sounds amazing, and thank you so much, guys. Thilaksha, how are you? How things are going on?
Going absolutely smooth as well. So last week we just finished inviting all the local and foreign universities, as well as this includes invitation to leading companies in Sri Lanka to hold hands with us to organize the conference. So we got a very positive feedback for that, and really excited to work with all of them to make the SACLEX 23 a successful.
So Thilaksha, does that mean that this conference is not just typical conference, but an internationally recognized conference?
Yes, of course. So now you know this is a South Asian conference, and we are expecting 30 to 40 international delegates as well as 100 local students from Sri Lanka as well. So we can guarantee that this is an extraordinary chance for students, as it provides a platform to exchange ideas, foster regional collaborations and enhance legal knowledge in addressing pressing environmental and societal challenges, empowering the next generation to contribute to the sustainable development.
Hi Yakti. Hi Dana. So how are things going with the conference?
It's going pretty well.
So Aki, when it comes to the participation fee of the conference, with this economy and all, 10,000 rupees can be pretty much. So how can you actually justify why should a person who is interested into participate in this conference, why should they pay this much of money and register for it?
So Thanu, this is a conference that will open so many doors for participants in relation to academic networking. And also this is a 3-day conference with whole bunch of international experiences. And also we are planning to have a cultural night which will be happening on the 2nd day of the conference, and this will be an event that you will be able to see different kind of diversities, different kind of cultural values of the South Asian countries. And also we are planning to have a cocktail night which will be happening on the last day of the conference, and there you will be able to meet the South Asian delegates, get together with them and have fun. And Thanu, we have a special news for all of our friends at Horizon Campus. So we will be offering you all the 50% discount, which will be reducing your registration fee to 5,000 rupees. And I think it is a great advantage for all of you.
Hi Tarindi.
Hi Aki.
So can you explain the audience how can you register for this conference if you are interested in?
Yes, Aki. Actually, it's very easy. All you have to do is visit any of our social media platforms, and in our bio, there's a link which will direct you to the registration form. And also, you can scan the QR code that is displayed at the end of all of our videos and posters.
So we hope we have provided you with some answers to the questions that you have regarding the satellites. And if you have further more questions, please feel free to comment them down in the comment section below. Have a nice day and see you on 20th at the KCM premises. Bye.